In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up storage space in Microsoft Outlook. We'll do this right from your web browser because the storage tools live on Outlook on the web, not in the desktop app. So on your computer, open your preferred browser and head to outlook.live.com. When the page loads, sign in to the Microsoft Outlook account that's running out of space. But once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner for the settings gear icon and click it. In the menu that opens, find the section for your account and choose Storage. This page shows a clear breakdown of how much email storage you have in total and how much you've used. You'll see your total limit, for example, 5 gigabytes, and a percentage that tells you where you stand. If your usage is low, you'll see very little listed here. If storage is nearly full, this page will display a list of folders and subfolders that are taking up space, organized, so you can quickly spot the biggest culprits. To reclaim space, review the folders shown and decide what you no longer need. When you're ready, simply click the delete button next to a folder or subfolder you want to remove. Outlook will remove that folder and everything inside it, which immediately reduces your used space. Take a moment to double-check the contents if you're unsure, especially for folders that might contain important messages. Focus first on folders you created for old projects, newsletters you no longer read, or other categories that have outlived their usefulness. A few thoughtful deletions can make a big impact. If you'd rather expand your capacity instead of deleting, the storage page also includes an option to view storage plans. Click that link to see the available Microsoft Outlook plans that increase your mailbox size. Browse the options, compare what each plan offers, and choose the one that fits your needs. Upgrading gives you more headroom right away, and the change applies to the account you're currently signed into. That's the entire process. Sign in at outlook.live.com, open settings, go to storage, and either delete unneeded folders or select a plan to increase your space. Keeping an eye on this page from time to time helps you stay ahead of storage limits and keeps your inbox running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back valuable space quickly and confidently.